The magic tip for Korean steamed eggs. Brush the sesame oil inside the bowl before you add egg. You need 300 ml of water. You can use plain water, but for better taste, I'll put a small piece of kombu and it'll be ready while I'm preparing other stuff. Chopped vegetable, I recommend green onion and carrots. Break 4 egg, add some salt and beat it. Brush the sesame oil inside the bowl. This will add aroma to your egg and make it easy to remove from the bowl. Add stock to the egg and beat it again. Then pour it into the bowl and add vegetables. Put it in the microwave and cook for 4 minutes. As you can see, the egg is cooked only alongside the bowl. Stir the egg using a spoon. Cook for 3.5 minutes more. Wow! Easy, fluffy, yummy, and healthy. Use less water to make it hard and more water to make it soft. Check my other egg recipe too. 안녕!